Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you how you can install Telnet on your Windows 10 computer and how you can test it out and even connect to this server, which has a lot of neat features. So, I wanted to show you how to do that. Let's go over to the Windows 10 machine now, and I'm going to show you all those steps. Okay, so the first thing you want to do after getting your computer on and booted to the desktop is you want to click on the start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, here you want to type in control on your keyboard, and it's going to show you control panel as the best match. So, we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, once that opens up, it should look like this one. If it doesn't and it looks like this, then all you have to do is just click on category and then click large icons. And then here we want to click on programs and features. Now, once that opens, we want to click on turn Windows features on or off. And once you click on it, it's going to open up this window, and you want to scroll towards the bottom, and there is the Telnet client right there. So we're going to click the little checkbox, and then we're going to click OK. Now, this is going to take just a moment or two for it to install all the files that you need for that Telnet client. So let's give it a moment, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it just finished installing the Telnet. So now we're going to click on close right here, and we're going to close out of the programs and features. And then we're going to click on the start button, and we're going to type in CMD. And then I'm going to open up the command prompt, but I'm going to run it as administrator. So I'm going to click on that just to make sure it has all the permissions that it needs. And then if it wants to know, can the Windows Command Processor make changes to your device? Go ahead and click yes. Now here is the command prompt. And if I type in telnet space telehack.com space 23 and I press enter, now you're connected to Telehack through Telnet. And then you can type in anything you want to. One that I like to pull up is aquarium, and then press enter. And when you do, it's going to put an ASCII aquarium right there in your command prompt. So I just thought that was neat. Maybe y'all enjoy that. And if you don't want it or you don't want to see it anymore, just press Control C, and it's going to exit out of that aquarium. And then you can type in clear and press enter, and then put a question mark and press enter, and it'll give you that list that you can do something else with. So there's a lot of features. You can even type in today, and it'll tell you all the information about today, which is pretty neat. All the things that are happening this month, this week, today, all those are really neat. And then if you wanted to do something else like the weather and press enter, it'll tell you what the weather is outside. This one I think you'll really like. Star Wars, and press enter. Now this is the Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. So if you let that continue to play, you'll see Episode 4, A New Hope. And it'll keep playing after it gets past the words, and you'll actually see the video in ASCII format. So I thought you all might like to have this. Now it's pretty long. I don't remember exactly how long. At least 20 minutes, maybe even 30 or 40 minutes. But they have coded this entire thing by hand, which I'm sure took quite a while. But I thought you all would enjoy that. So you can sit there and watch it if you'd like to. But you can see there was the moon that they were making, and then there you go. They're going and attacking. So that's pretty neat. All this is very interesting. So have fun with that if you want to watch it. And if you don't, that's okay. As always, just press Control C. It'll quit out of it. And you can type clear and press enter, and question mark and press enter, and you can do something else. Now, when you're completely done and you don't want to do this anymore, just type exit, and that disconnects from that Telnet server. And then you can also just go up here and press the X on the command prompt. So I hope that was helpful and also interesting, all the things that you could connect to with Telnet and still pull up even today. If you do have any questions, or maybe you'd like me to go into more depth about this on Windows 10, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything that you would like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like how do I install Telnet on my Windows 10 computer and connect to a Telnet server, and I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.